Find the 12th term of the harmonic progression 1, 1/3, 1/5. Ang harmonic progression ay reciprocal ng arithmetic progression. Ibig sabihin kapag kinuha mo yung reciprocal ng bawat term nitong harmonic progression, yun ay magiging arithmetic sequence na. So, kunin natin yung reciprocal nito. Ang reciprocal ng 1 ay 1. At ang reciprocal ng 1/3 ay 3. Ang reciprocal naman ng 1/5 ay 5. So, ito yung harmonic progression. Ito naman yung arithmetic progression. Then, ang formula for the nth term of the arithmetic progression is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Tandaan nyo, ito ay para sa arithmetic progression. Formula ng nth term ng arithmetic progression. Then, ang mangyayari, kapag nakuha nyo na yung a sub n nitong arithmetic progression, kukunin nyo lang yung reciprocal nun para naman makuha yung a sub n ng harmonic progression. So, yung a sub n dito yung nth term ng arithmetic progression. Then, yung a sub 1 yung first term ng arithmetic progression. Then, n yung term position and d yung common difference. So, yung a sub 1 nitong arithmetic, dito tayo titingin sa sa arithmetic progression. Yung a sub 1 is 1, yun yung first term, yung kauna-unahang term. Then yung d is the common difference nitong arithmetic progression. Yung common difference, makikita nyo yan o makukuha nyo yan kapag pinag-minus nyo yung dalawang consecutive terms. So, for example, 3 minus 1, 2. O kaya naman 5 minus 3, 2. So, yun yung common difference. Ang common difference natin na nakuha ay 2. Ang hinahanap natin ay yung a sub n. Kasi find the 12th term. So, a sub 12. Yung ating hinahanap dyan. Then, yung n, kung ano yung term position niya, pang ilan ba yung hinahanap natin? Pang 12. So, n is equal sa 12. Then, sunod natin gagawin, gamitin na natin yung formula nito. So, a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, a sub 12, yung 12th term yung ating hinahanap. So, a sub 12, 12 yan ha, a sub 12 is equals to a sub 1, yung a sub 1 natin ay 1, plus n minus 1, n ay 12. So, 12 minus 1. Then, times d. Yung d ay 2. Then, tuloy lang natin. A sub 12 is equals to 1 plus 12 minus 1 ay 11 times 2. Then, a sub 12 is equals sa 1 plus 11 times 2 ay 22. Then, a sub 12 is equals to 1 plus 22 is 23. Yung 23, yan yung 12th term ng arithmetic progression. So, yung nakuha natin na 23, siya yung 12th term ng arithmetic progression. Pero ang hinahanap natin yung 12th term ng harmonic progression. Yung 12th term nito. So, ang mangyayari, dahil ito yung 12th term ng arithmetic progression, 12th term ng arithmetic progression, ang gagawin mo, para makuha mo yung 12th term ng harmonic progression, kukunin mo lang yung reciprocal. So, yung a sub 12 ng harmonic progression is yung reciprocal na nito. So, 1 over 23. So, ito yung sagot, yung final answer. Ito yung para sa harmonic progression. Yan. Ito yung 12th term ng harmonic progression na 1, 1/3, and 1/5. Tandaan nyo yun ha. Kapag ginamit nyo ito yung formula na to, ang makukuha nyo yan ay yung end term ng arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. So, para makuha yung end term ng harmonic progression, kunin nyo lang yung reciprocal niya. At yun yung nakuha natin, 1/23.